What's up, family? Welcome to Ddins Xperience. Here we do simple food recipes and tips, food, gadget, and kitchen tool reviews, challenges, and more. Before we get started, please hit the subscribe button and the notification bell on the bottom right of the screen and hit all. And if you have any suggestions, please leave me a comment in the section below. And without further ado, let's get to the menu.
Alright family, so for this recipe, you're going to use broccoli, of course, butter, water, flour, evaporated milk, and cheese. Now you can use any cheese you want. I like to mix these two, mild and sharp cheddar cheese, for my homemade cheese sauce. Again, this is for new cooks. Experiment, you can use any cheese you want. Alright, let's get to creating, family. Now we're going to rinse off our broccoli nice and thorough. Alright, now we're going to go ahead out of our, we don't want that, so we're going to cut that off. Now we're going to go ahead and cut little crowns off of our big crown. Like this. Alright, let's finish this up. Now you can cut up the stems. It's broccoli, it's a vegetable, it's good to eat. Alright, let's go ahead and we're going to go ahead and use our, shred up our cheese. I'm going to go ahead and use 2 cups. Let's shred this up real quick. Alright, quick facts.
Superfood. Broccoli has long been touted as one of the healthiest veggies because of its nutritional makeup. This superfood is loaded with fiber, antioxidants to fight cancer, and vitamin C to aid in iron absorption.
Pretty cool. Now we're going to go ahead and put in our butter, our water. I put in a cup. Broccoli. I love my broccoli. Now we're going to go ahead and let that steam. Now look at this, it's still boiling. So if you don't have like a steamer or anything like that, this is a great way to steam your broccoli. Cover it back up. Now you're going to steam this for about 6 to 10 minutes. We're going to flip this. What you see on the side of the pot is the butter. That's flavor. Cover that back up. Now we're going to add in our pepper, our pink Himalayan, stir it. We are not making cheese and broccoli soup. Just stir it. And that's what we have. That's the texture you're looking for. Quick facts.
How is cheese made? Cheese is made the same way, by curdling milk, except the milk is curdled on purpose. Most cheese is made in factories. After milk is poured into big vats, a starter culture of bacteria is added to convert the lactose into lactic acid. Okay.
Now we are going to make our cheese sauce. Add in your butter. Bring that to a melt like this. And we're going to add 2 tablespoons of flour. And you're going to mix that in real well. like this. We're going to add in our evaporated milk, the whole can. The whole can. And then we're going to mix in our flour into this mix real good. Add in our cheese, the first cup of cheese, not the whole cheese. Then we're going to mix that real good. As it melts, we're going to mix it. Until it comes to a boil like this. All right. Add in another cup of cheese. And then we're going to mix it. Mix it well. Until you get this. All right, you guys. Let's go ahead and plate this up. I love my wooden bowl. Put my broccoli. And you guys know I love my broccoli. Let's go ahead and cheese this up real quick. Now, I like to eat it like this. I love my cheese texture. And I ate half the bowl. I'm sorry, you guys. But if you like this video, please hit subscribe and hit that notification bell in your bottom right and share this with all your friends. The video on my left is the video that YouTube think you should watch, and the video on my right is my most previous video. Hey, you guys, I love you guys. Peace.